When you receive your decal, it should look something like this. It should be completely cut out with a piece of transfer paper over the top of it. Before you apply the decal, you're going to want to have a few tools on hand. This is a scraper. It can be found at the Dollar Tree. If you don't feel like running out and grabbing a scraper, you can use just an ordinary credit card or your driver's license. You're going to want some rubbing alcohol to clean the surface, and you're going to want a lint-free cloth. A pair of scissors are always handy. First thing you're going to do is get some alcohol on your cloth and make sure that the surface is clean and free of dust. While that's drying, we're going to get our decal ready to place down on the surface. The first thing you're going to want to do is peel back an edge of the transfer tape. And make sure that the design is stuck well and is going to come off of the backing easily. If you're having any problems getting the decal off of the backing, take your scraper and just rub all over the decal. We're going to flip the decal over, and we're going to peel the backing away from the decal. You want the decal to stick to the transfer tape at this point. Hold the backing low and pull slowly. You want to make sure that the entire decal is going to come off of the backing before we go on to the next step. Now we're going to take our backing and we're going to place it back on the decal, but we are going to leave just the one edge of the stickiness exposed. Place it back down, and you can see here I have a sticky edge. Now our surface should be clean. Once you have the decal in place and lined up where you want it, you can press the edge, the exposed edge down so that it's stuck in place. Now if you flip this over, you can start to remove the backing and press the decal down as you go. Grab your scraper and just scrape and press, and that backing will work itself right out of there. Just keep smoothing and pressing that backing off of there. Backing has been removed. The decal is stuck down on the surface. At that point, you want to take your scraper and go all along the design again, making sure it's all firmly pressed down. After you've burnished your design, go ahead and grab a corner of the transfer tape. Start lifting the transfer tape, but you want to fold it back over on itself so that it doesn't put an excessive amount of pressure on the decal. Go slowly to make sure that the decal is in fact stuck down. Here I have an edge that didn't stick, so I'm going to take my scraper and just press it in place as I pull up the transfer tape. There's another edge that did not stick. There we go. Now that the decal has been applied, you're going to want to take your scraper and go over it one more time, gently. You can also do this with your finger. I have an edge there that did not come out very good. Just make sure that it's all pressed down. Once your decal is in place, you want to give it 24 to 48 hours to set up before you get it wet.